Today there is a vast gulf which separates the educated classes from the so-called uneducated classes. It has almost taken the shape of a rigid caste division. When we criticize the masses, let us not forget that we too are not above criticism. Is it not a fact that instead of being proud of our country, some of us are always underrating it? We admire Western films and Western art not as Indians, but as if we are ourselves Westerners. How little are we willing to sacrifice our own personal interests to those of the nation? Is it not a fact that the social circles in which we the educated people like to move and clothe ourselves are highly artificial and are far removed from our own languages, culture and customs? Are these social circles not the hotbeds of intrigue, corruption, nepotism, snobbery, waste and so many other evils which can only be called destructive to the national good? Do we not have a tendency to praise everything foreign and deprecate everything Indian? It annoys me tremendously when I hear a very condescending kind of criticism of our Indian films in these circles. And I begin to believe that one of the foremost aims of the creative realists in our films should be to prick the bubble of this highly artificial intellectualism in which everyone thinks he is superior to everyone else. I believe that our artists could do nothing better than to hold a mirror to the spurious refinement of these ladies and gentlemen. Creative realists in our films are and will be people who are proud of their great and mighty country, who love it with a passion the beauty of which cannot be described, who love their own languages, their own people, their own customs, and are convinced that the day is not far off when this motherland of ours will once again be a shining jewel on this earth, giving once again the message of universal peace, tolerance, brotherhood, and social justice. To that goal, along with their colleagues in other fields of art and science, the creative realists of the films will march with unfailing zeal and courage.